Hi everyone, I'm just doing a quick video because I'm in the UK and Ireland swap and it's for a journal. And I've done this for Emily, that's EMILY280881. I think I've got the numbers wrong, sorry Emily. Anyway, this is what I've done for her. She said she likes bird cages and dress forms and things. So I've done bird cage there with a dress form. Put some pearls along the bottom and flower there, and stick pin there, some ruffled trim going up there, and a dress form here, buttons, and a necklace, and there's some flowers here, and another stick pin here, and some lace around the dress, and a couple of rub-ons which are there and there. That's the back, and this is the inside cover. Not good at this. No, it's not good at this. And the tag there. And that's the back cover. And there's another tag there. So, I hope you like it, Emily. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. Bye.